The Find and Replace feature in Word is very powerful. So powerful, in fact, that you can change the formatting on variable length text while removing text surrounding the original text. It's not uncommon in plain text documents to use special characters to designate formatting for some characters. You can see on the screen that there are instances where text is surrounded by asterisks, denoting emphasis on that text. You may want to get rid of the asterisks and format the text between the asterisks as bold. The task seems a bit more complex because the text to be formatted as bold can be in varying lengths. Doing this with Find and Replace may sound difficult, but Word actually makes it quite easy, provided that you use wildcards. I'm going to go ahead and press Control-H to display the Find and Replace dialog box. And then I want to make sure that the dialog box is expanded to its full size by clicking on the More button. The critical step here is to make sure that you choose Use Wildcards right down here. Now we can use a pattern in the Find What box to indicate what we want to find. In this case, I'm going to enter a pattern that may look a little bit strange to you. It's a backspace, followed by an asterisk, and then a left parenthesis, another asterisk, a right parenthesis, another backslash, and finally another asterisk. This pattern tells Word to search for an asterisk, followed by any text, and ended with another asterisk. There are 3 asterisks in this search pattern, but they are not all handled the same. The backslash before an asterisk means find a literal asterisk. However, if there is no backslash, like in this second instance, then that means find anything of any length. Note as well the parentheses around the second asterisk. These are important because they allow us to reference the text in the Replace With box. Here's what you should place in the Replace With box. Just a backslash followed by the number 1. This backslash followed by a number indicates which set of text in the Find With box should be used as the replacement. In other words, what set of text surrounded by parentheses should be used as the replacement. In complex Find What patterns, you might have multiple sets of parentheses used. In our Find What pattern, though, we have just a single set of parentheses, so that is why we use \1 in the Replace With box. There's also one more thing that we need to do with the insertion point still in the Replace With box. I'm going to go ahead and press Control-B and notice what happened. We indicated to Word that we want the replacement text to be bold. That's why it put the text font bold underneath the Replace With box. At this point, we are ready to do the replacements. All I need to do is click on Replace All. It tells me that it made 3 replacements within the document. I can click on OK to get rid of that, and I'll close the Find and Replace dialog box. And notice that every place that there had been asterisks around text, the asterisks are gone, and the text that had been between the asterisks is now bold. That's it. Only a single Find and Replace operation is needed to perform 2 tasks, replacing text and formatting text. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few moments with me today.